Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. We're at Harbor Freight in a snowstorm. Yes. There's one other fool. Not many other fools around today. Let's go inside, see what we can find. There's one thing I definitely want to get. One thing I'm on the fence about. I want to get that 26-inch U.S. General cabinet. The coupon for $239 is going to expire at the end of the month, and I don't need it at all. Not a single bit. But I do want to buy it. So we'll just see. It'll be like on a whim. Be like, yes, I bought it. Okay, damn it. I already swiped my credit card. Let's get inside. This sucks. Sucks. Well, first, one of the things I actually came for was the SAE Deep Impacts. I already got the metric. I got a coupon for $18.99. I actually think one just expired for like $17.99. Maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, it's normally $19.99, so it's only $1 cheaper than normal anyway. And as soon as I walked in the door, and two different people, because obviously there's no one else in the store, hey, can we help anything? Well, matter of fact, I could use one of those green carts. And they said, well, let's see what colors we got. And they had green and orange, so since they had the one I wanted, it was meant to be. It's up at the counter waiting for me as I peruse a little more. Can never have enough tape measures, so we'll get that as our free item. Getting these little pegboard hook things. I really should wait for a 30% coupon, but they're only $1.99, so I won't beat myself up over it. But I just picked up a new storage locker cabinet thing. It's in the garage. If I remember, I'll put a picture up. And it's got pegboards on the sides. One of them I have blocked by the toolbox, but the other one's open, so I figure let's do it. Ooh, $6.49, and that's a big assortment. Well, damn, I just changed my mind. $6.49. At least a 20% coupon. Well, I'll be damned. Well, let's put those back then. Does this count as distracted driving? Are you not supposed to do this? Anyways, that was a close call, man. I didn't know if it was going to work or not. They scanned that coupon because it doesn't show the other colors. It only shows the original three. The red, the black, and the blue. And it wasn't working. And they kept trying, like, where'd you find this coupon? Duh, I didn't want to say, I got it from my website. Well, then where'd you get it from? I don't know, the damn thing's been out for a year. You think they'd have seen the coupon before as long as it's been out. But anyway, and you can't see nothing. We need some defrost. Give me some defrost. And they eventually found it, but I'm not exactly sure where they found it because they said the only thing we're showing is $2.99 and $2.79, and then they did find the $239.99 coupon, and they did an override, and I was able to get it, so that worked out well. Oh God, I'll stop. I'm not in a hurry. I still can't see for shit either. I got in the car. It's the first sizable snowfall we've had all year, and I realized I don't have a scraper in here. Over at Dairy Queen. Look at that. 43 cents for an extra thing of sauce. Cheap asses. You act like send you out of business if you just give someone a reasonable amount of dipping sauce, man. Need some extra queso dip, maybe some buffalo. Monica takes the extra ranch. Ridiculous. Another ridiculous thing is I've been waiting here forever. There's no one else here, man. Let's speed it up a bit. Maybe I'm finding out why no one else is here. Oh yeah, there she is. Look at that. In green. That's Struggleville green right there. Actually, it's a little too limey, but it's close. Beggars can't be choosers. So, let's get this thing all set up and into its final resting place. Alright, let's check out this green machine. Get your nice little mat on top. Some keys. Oh shit. Hey. Not a very good grand opening there. Let's get you back into place, little fella. Getting a little deeper. Getting a little deeper. Uh-oh. Lay flat. And it looks like our assembly portion of the video has appeared. First thing we gotta do is put on the handle. Nice thing is, it has mounting holes on both sides. So you can choose whatever side you want to put it on. For me, it's gotta go on this here right side. So let's go ahead and put it on there if we can sneak out enough room over here. Now we need to attach our casters. Swivels go on the same side as your handle. Fixed go on the opposite side. So swivel, fixed. Let's put them on. Here's what we're replacing. This Husky. I'm really not happy with it. The only thing I like about it is the power strip in the side, which I got a nice 4-foot power strip that we're going to mount somewhere to replace it, but I end up not using this thing because I don't like it at all. I have no use for these cabinets down here. Just kind of a garbage collection. Now that being said, I really like my big Husky, and I got that storage locker on the end there. So I think the U.S. General is going to look marvelous sitting right here. Just got to get all this other crap out of the way first. Well, there she is. Fits right in like a sore thumb. Started putting a few things into it. Right off the bat, I wish it was just a little bit shorter so it could actually go underneath this handle. But I only move this thing when I got a clean behind it, which just means I never move this thing. So I might just take this handle off so this can move over just a little bit more. But I like the big work surface you get on here. I'm not used to having little baby tiny drawers. Like if you look at even the smallest ones on these are like 2-inch or something. I don't know. This is only a 1-inch drawer. And not much fits in it. Like I tried putting the tape measure in here. Where's it at? I got it down here in one of these. Nope, it ain't in that one. Here we go. I tried putting this tape measure in here. And I mean, so you realistically can't put it in there. So I don't know, other than papers. I mean, a couple of knick-knack things. I'm not really sure what I'm going to put in the 3 baby drawers. And then getting into this drawer, it might be kind of a waste. But I decided I'm going to put all my impact sockets in this thing. And if you guys saw a previous video, I bought this big case of Craftsman sockets. My plan was it'd be a full socket set that I could take with me to like the car or wherever I need to go. And I have all the sockets. But the thing's over 40 pounds. And realistically, every time I need to work on something, I'm not grabbing a 40-pound case and dragging it to wherever I need to go. It's just probably not going to happen. So I took the lid off, and I have one section here and the other section in the next drawer down. And this is like half the weight. So realistically, I could pick this up, just take it out, and bring this whole piece with me. Lined up back here are all the Harbor Freight deep wells. And then I'll figure out, I guess, something to fill in there. We got that, and then the next drawer down. That's the top of that Craftsman set. And then those Harbor Freight deep wells again. The other ones were metric. These are the SAE. So that's this drawer again. I could lift this thing out and that might work, but at least they fit in there. And I haven't started really working on these other ones. I'm just kind of stuff that was in that other thing I just got rid of. If I lay this thing flat, it will eventually kind of relax. And in the bottom drawer, start putting some of the crap that was in the bottom of this other one. So there it is, guys. Overall, I really like the US General because I bought the 5-drawer mechanic cart. It's I think 30-inch, and everyone knows what that one is. It's very popular. Anyway, I only paid $149 for it. The new coupons are going to be $199, maybe even more. I mean, it's just ridiculous. I mean, at this point, this one was $239, so for $30 or $40 more than the current price, you're getting all these extra drawers, which is kind of nice. And it's still on wheels if you need to move it around if you're in a shop or something where you're taking your stuff with you. I'm not sure how I feel about these little baby drawers, though. But anyways, I really like the US Generals, and I really like the slides. Like, the slides in this, the drawers, they just feel smoother and just better made than even like these Husky ones over here. So there it is, guys, the US General. Tell me what to put in these top drawers. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like. Subscribe for a nice subscriber. And hopefully as it gets warm out, we can do some project videos out in this garage. I'm telling you, it's hard to get motivated when you freeze your balls off out here. It limits the motivation.